Hello, good morning. Today we are going to do the last part of matrices, and it is solving problems involving matrices. Okay, let's see one example. Let's say Randall here purchase the tickets. Here you can see how many tickets, adults and child and adults. And then for exam also purchase tickets for child and also adults, but different number, and they have different total here. Based on the conversation, how much is the price of a child ticket and adult ticket, how much? And first this is actually your variable, the one that you are looking for or you don't know. So we can write it as x, x as the price of child ticket, and y as the adult. Okay, so this one is x, for the child, this one is for the adult. And then of course here is Randall. We start with Randall, and Randall have 2 child tickets, 2, that means 2x lah, and then for adults only 1, so this one only 1 y, or you can just write y lah, and the total is 32. So here is the total, total is it is in RM, it's 32. Okay, let's see Iziam. For child, it has he bought 5, that means here is 5x. And then for adult 3, 3, that means 3 times the number of tickets is y, we don't know yet, so we write 3y, and the total is 88, RM 88. Okay, so now you want to solve it using matrices. What do you see here? You can see here a table, right? A table. You can see a table, and of course from this table you can change it into matrix. How to change it? You know that 2x, 2x plus y equal 32, and then 5x plus 3y equal 88. Okay, so when you have this equation, then you can start to solve it, find your x and y using matrix. So this is your equation just now. So what you do, you change first into matrix. When you change into matrix, it will become like this. You just take the coefficient. This one, the coefficient is 1, 5, 3, all there, and then your variable is x and y. You write it here, and this is the total. Okay, so you just solve it. That's what we have done before. XY will be what? XY will be the inverse of this one, the inverse of A, and then you just multiply with this one. If you still remember, this is your PQ, this is your A, if you still remember last time, and this is actually your B. The formula is X, your XY will be the inverse of A times the matrix B, matrix B is this one. Okay, then you solve it. Yeah, you multiply this one first. Yeah, you multiply this one first, you get this, and then you solve it, you'll get this one. Yeah, so when you get this answer, you cannot just leave it like that. You have to say that the price of a child ticket is RM8 and the adult ticket is 16. Yeah, 16 here. Yeah, and the child is at ringgit. So this is the answer. Yeah. Okay, example 30. Yeah, you have this table, camera, syarikat komunikasi era baru produces two cameras. Yeah, two cameras model, that is K and L. Each camera produce two departments, that is assembling and also packaging. So the above shows, yeah, about the information. It is given that assembling department operates 12 hours. Assembling is 12 hours. Yeah, assembling is 12 hours here. 12 hours. And packaging operates 9 hours. Yeah, 9 hours per day. So you have to calculate the number of camera K and camera L produced in a day. Yeah. So if you work for 12 hours, you need one camera 10 minutes. This one is the time, so how many will be produced? So first, you know the variable you want to find is K, yeah? K and L. So we change this maybe for the more familiar variable X and Y. Is it okay? Okay, so for X is for K, Y is for L. Yeah. So now we try to figure it out in a table for a better understanding. So you just copy back the table. Assembling, yeah, assembling, you need 10 minutes, but this is for your X, 10 minutes. This is for your Y. Okay. Okay, so your time, that this one is 10 minutes, yeah, but how many you don't know X, so it will come 10 times X. And for assembling 10 minutes for camera L, that is in Y, so you times with Y. Yeah, so the total time is 12 hours. 12 hours, yeah, 12 hours, but 12 hours, because this one is in minutes, right? So you have to change the hours into minutes. You just times with 60. Yeah, you get here 72 minutes. Yeah, 72 minutes. And for packaging, you need 5 minutes. You times with X, that is the total minutes, and 9 minutes times with the number of camera L, that is 9Y. So the total time, once again, this is in hours, you change into minutes, it will be 54 minutes. 54 minutes. So this is 54. Okay, now your job is, like example 29, you have to make the equation first, yeah, before you can solve it using matrix. So you know that this one you add up, it'll become 72. That is your first equation. And then 5x you plus with 9y, you'll get 54. So this is the two equation that you want, looking for. Yeah? Okay, this is your equation. So you just solve it using matrix. So you change it into matrix first, it will come like this. And then your xy, you just find the inverse of this matrix, and then you multiply it with this one, yeah, and then you'll get this, and then you get 27 and 45. But then you cannot stop there. You have to tell what is 27 and what is 45, yeah. So the number of camera K produced is 27 units, and the number of camera L produced is 45 minutes. That is the answer, yeah. Okay, so that's it. We are done with this chapter 2, matrices, and I really hope the videos, all the 10 videos I've given to you, you can understand very well, and you can do all the exercises in the textbook, yeah. And don't forget to do some more revision using other books, yeah, so that you will remember everything that you have learned. Okay, so that's it. Bye bye.